Hi Shravya, so we have a couple of questions for you. Shoot it. I think cinema gives me more time and lets me study more about the character, so it's always more interesting because there's a story involved and I have to keep in mind the story of this person. I can basically narrate my own thing to this character. So it's very interesting because I get to delve into this imaginary personality and imagine that she might or he might wear this, might not wear this, might like this. So it's nice to improvise and think about the character and build a character. Basically, it's damn fun. The process is damn fun. Cinema any day, right? Soul food. See, sports stars, obviously, you'll have to probably, like, if you're in a shoot with them, then you'll also have to tell them how to carry out that particular outfit. And also, I would try to keep it more safe and comfort zone. I wouldn't try to give them very, tricky clothes because carrying off these fancy outfits is not their everyday thing. So I would like to keep them comfortable. I think when I look at sports stars, I try and amp up their look in general, but I very much keep in mind their comfort zone, intact, because I do not want to see them not very confident on screen or something. That's the last thing you want to see a sports star. Whereas when I'm styling like an actor, I have to keep his or her real personality in mind, especially for public events. I would like to see, suppose somebody is edgy or quirky, I try and keep just that in mind. Because when you're playing a character, the audience is so consumed by that character or that personality. It's important for us to see the real person. So we try and incorporate that bit into his dressing in general if he's going to like public events. If not, and models is very relative to like what shoot we're doing that day. Suppose I want the model to get into the character for a sari, then the model has to. So it depends on what we are expecting out of the model. So that is a different ball game altogether. Yeah. Photography and videography. Photography I can cheat a lot. That's my favorite part. Videography, I mean, obviously you can't really, it is what it is. The only thing is, I think your colors sometimes are very different. Your colors could be, suppose pinks can look red can look, so pastels like blues can look purple. So that, except that, videography is not very, difficult. But suppose in movies, if we're shooting outdoors or suppose we're shooting in like particular locations, we're always asked to avoid whites and we're asked to avoid like particular colors. I look up to so many people for different things. For example, I'm hugely influenced by great women like Princess Diana or like Gayatri Devi. Amla Akineni is somebody I'm starstruck by. Like since I was a child, I just love the way she carries herself and things like that. And then there are people in my everyday life that I meet and come across, like my friends and family friends. There's so many women that I have examples of who have been so strong and resilient, and I draw inspiration for each thing in different people. So yeah, I have a bunch of people. I'm not skeptical to design because of my abilities to design, but I was very scared and I was very conscious when I was designing, or I got this opportunity to style Mr. Nagarjuna. And I was so like nervous and everything because, and I didn't even do a great job, because I loved the man so much since I was a child that I just couldn't. You know what I mean? It's like I just could not focus on my work when I was styling him. So I think I should probably never try that. With him, I think it's an exception because I just could not put my best foot forward because of the love that I had for him. Rest everybody, you know, I was never starstruck or I was never whatever. Even with Sir, you know, I wasn't starstruck, but I was so conscious that I went and kind of ruined it. So that's actually one regret as well as one learning for me, I can say. That when you like and love a person and look up to him so much, I think you shouldn't go and mess that up. So yeah. Vijay, actually a couple of them. Vijay I can style any day, every day, and both of us have evolved together in fashion. Like I've said, like we've made some good choices, we made some bad choices, but Vijay is obviously close to me personally and professionally, so he's one person I would style like in my sleep, like at the blink of my eye. But I just love working with Trisha, and she's also like that. She's my female version of the same sync I have with Vijay. It's easy working with Trisha, and I love working with her. But also, I think Kirti Suresh is somebody I love styling because I reflect my own personality with her. Actually, I'm doing this common man getting styled by Shravan Mande. It's not like I'm not reachable. First of all, I'm very reachable and I'm very active on Insta. And if at all I see that this personality is going to, it's interesting. If I think that I can add on something to their wardrobe, I would love to work with them. There are so many. Like I want to style Yash from Kannada industry, for example, because I feel like I can bring something new to the table. Then I think I want to style, oh my god, so many people. I would love to style Allu Arjun, man. Like that man is the one who introduced fashion, and my friend Ashwin was the one who introduced all of this styling thing and everything. I look up to both of them so much. That combination is something I just love. Ashwin and Arjun are like once I think for Vijay, when I styled him for some audio launch, he commented that I love your outfits. I was really happy because coming from stylish star and everything, so I really enjoyed it. So I think I would love to style him. Thank you, Booth Fellows, for giving me this amazing opportunity.